National Homemade Anti-Aging Treatments for Skin Tightening. Young-looking skin is what we always dream of. Dark spots, acne scars, wrinkles, fine lines and loose skin is the biggest nightmares of any woman. We can stop aging process, but we delay it as long as possible with some natural ace packs and masks. Most women above age 40 spend lot of money on many clinical procedures and anti-aging creams, parlor, surgeries and cosmetic products to get youthful skin, but get no such result. Now, you don't need to go to parlor, get extra treatment for your skin or surgeries. Just follow the instructions given below and get radiant, tighten, youthful skin in just 1 week with these effective anti-aging treatments. Let us start with it. Treatment number 1. Anti-aging facial massage. Ingredients: dye-striped papaya, ½ cup. Honey, 2 teaspoons. Extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon. Lemon juice, 1/4 lemon. Anti-aging treatments. Method: 1. Take chopped papaya, honey, fresh lemon juice and olive oil in a bowl. 2. Mash all ingredients well with spoon or in grinder. 3. First, steam your face with hot towel for 30 seconds, apply this face pack on your face with clean brush and massage for 30 seconds in circular motion. 4. Now, apply some more paste on your face and leave it for 10 minutes. 5. After 10 minutes, wash it off with lukewarm water and apply some moisturizer. 6. You can store this face pack in refrigerator for 5-7 days. 7. Use this face pack thrice in a week for best results. 8. It will helps to remove wrinkles, age spots, dark spots, acne scars from your skin and gives you smooth, clear and younger skin. Treatment number 2. Instant Tighten and Firming Anti-Aging Mask. Ingredients: gelatin powder, 1 tablespoon. Tomato juice, 5 teaspoons. Raw milk, 2 teaspoons. Vitamin E oil, 1 teaspoon. Method: 1. First, add all ingredients in a bowl, mix them well until combined. 2. Now, microwave this mask for 15-20 seconds to dissolve the gelatin, or you can also use double boiler. 3. Now, apply this face mask all over your face with clean brush in upward direction and leave it until completely dry. 4. When it gets completely dry, then gently peel off the mask in opposite direction and then wash your face with lukewarm water. 5. You can store it in refrigerator for 4-5 days. 6. Use this face mask twice in a week for best results. 7. This face mask will helps to tighten your sagging skin and gives your clear, glowing and younger skin. Hope you like these anti-aging treatments. Must try it at home to get rid of sagging, dull and wrinkled skin. Share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to comment to share your results with me. Cheers.